The iPhone 12 had some new features. So what's up guys, and as we know, the most of the iPhone lineup consists same display, same design and pretty similar hardware of their predecessors. And one thing I can't stop thinking about is what's new in iPhone 12. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the major upgrades and features of iPhone 12 series. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. The iPhone 12 lineup consists 4 different variants. It is the first time in the history iPhone lineup consisting more than 3 variants. The 4 models will be 5.4 inch and 6.1 inch iPhone 12 models and 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch iPhone 12 Pro models. But recently, a Japanese blog has shared mock-ups of all 4 devices, which claims that the largest handset will have 6.5 inch screen size rather than the previous rumored 6.7 screen size. And the recent renders also appears to have SIM tray on the opposite side compared to current models. Being said that, the Japanese side also claims that the new placement will make a room for 5G antenna module. All of the 4 variants are using OLED display from different manufacturers like Samsung, BOE and LG. The reason behind the iPhone 12 using maximum Samsung display is because they know Samsung manufactures the best display in the world. The 2 normal models, that is iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, are going to have a dual camera setup which may be same wide angle and ultra wide angle setup like we saw in iPhone 11. And the Pro models will feature triple camera setup like the iPhone 11 Pro model. But the new feature that will make it quite better than iPhone 11 Pro is the brand new lidar scanner which we saw on the current iPad Pro. The iPhone 11 12 Pro models will have higher refresh rate, that is 120Hz, while the regular iPhone 12 base model could feature just 60Hz refresh rate. Talking about the design, we can see a boxy design which looks pretty similar to the iPhone 4, which is really confusing people. But everything has its own reason, so they also might have their own reasons to build a boxy design, or they did it for big space, for the big battery, or just for an old look. The most exciting feature of iPhone 12 is its battery capacity. According to reports, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will feature a 4400 mAh battery in order to accommodate all new features, that is 5G support and higher refresh rate that Apple is bringing to its phone this year. Whereas the regular iPhone 12 should have better capacity higher than 4000 mAh. Since the iPhone 11 Pro Max lasts for up to 40 hours on a single charge, the iPhone 12 should be able to last for up to 45 to 50 hours. Being said that, the iPhone 12 lineup offers a first 5G smartphone from Apple, and it's obvious to expect a more improved camera from Apple, which ultimately concludes that the iPhone 12 has major upgrades in its battery life, camera, design and the overall performance. If we ask people what would you love to see the major upgrades on the iPhone 12, majority of them will answer the same, that is the battery life, design and obviously the camera. Beside the key specs, there are also some minor upgrades which have some major impact on the overall performance. According to leakster Max Weinbach, the iPhone 12 will have Face ID with wider field of view, allowing to unlock an iPhone 12 series handset from different angles. All 4 models will be powered by A14 Bionic chipset, which could feature 5nm chip with 15 billion transistors inside compared to 8.5 billion in A13 Bionic chipset that was in iPhone 11 and iPhone SE. The A14 Bionic chipset could deliver a notable jump in performance with improved energy consumption. All of the 4 models of iPhone 12 are expected to work with a high band wave 5G signals and low to mid band sub 6 GHz 5G signals. We are really glad to get these informations from Max Weinbach, Everything Apple Pro, Tipster Zone Procer for giving all the details about the iPhone 12 lineup, and Concept Creator for giving us idea how the iPhone 12 gonna look like. As said by Max Weinbach, Apple will also be adding a new color option for the iPhone 12 Pro series, and that is navy blue, which was also confirmed by Zone Procer. But unfortunately, it will replace midnight green color, which turned out to be favorite among the iPhone 11 Pro buyers. According to report, the Pro model will benefit from having having a 6GB of RAM, while the normal iPhone 12 will have 4GB RAM. Talking about the price, the iPhone 12 will cost $649 for the 128GB version and $729 for the 256 inbuilt storage, and max version will cost $749 and $849 for each respective capacity. Let me remind you that the iPhone 11 starts from $699, so the iPhone 12 will be cheaper by $50. Now let's talk about the price of Pro variants. The Pro models will cost $999, $1,099 and $1,299 for the 128GB, 256GB and 512GB versions respectively. And for the Pro Max, the same capacities will cost $1,099, $1,199 and $1,399. Talking about the launch date, the iPhone 12 is likely to be launched in September, but it's not official, so it could be postponed since a lot of factors can affect the launch date, and the problem facing by world due to COVID-19 may affect it too. So that's all we know about the iPhone 12 lineup till now. And as always, there is still more to come. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.